An ode to simulation by the Sim Doctor. In simulated halls we gather round, to practice, to train, to skills unbound. A mock patient lies, a story to tell, a chance to learn, to do well. The simulators hum, a heartbeat's pace. A lifelike scenario, a critical space, we respond, we react, we make our move. A chance to learn, to improve and prove. From code blues to births, we practice with care. Our skills honed sharp, our knowledge shared. In this safe space we make mistakes and learn. Our patience simulated, but our skills that yearn. The debriefing room, a space to reflect, what went well, what didn't, what to inspect. We analyze, we discuss, we grow and we share. Our experiences, our insights, our skills to spare. Healthcare simulation, a tool so grand, a way to learn, to practice, to take a stand. In the pursuit of excellence, we strive and we thrive. With simulation, our skills come alive. The Sim Doctor says, simulate and thrive.